Hey there, if you're a first-time home buyer, this video is for you. Today, I'm giving you the best advice I have for first-time home buyers. So first off, there are a couple of things you have to do before you start searching for your very first home. You must hammer out your budget and get pre-approved by a mortgage lender. I recommend getting pre-approved as the first step you take in the home buying process. You'll get your financial documents together like your tax returns, pay stubs, bank accounts, and any debt documentation and meet with a lender. The lender will look through your financials and give you a dollar amount. That number is what you will likely be able to get a mortgage for. Once you have that pre-approval amount, you'll know how much you could spend on a home. You might want to spend less on the house, and that's completely fine, but keep in mind that you should not go over that pre-approval amount. It is a hard limit for most home buyers. From there, you could look at your monthly budget and determine how much you want to spend on your mortgage each month. Remember to include property taxes, condo fees if any, repairs, and maintenance. Once you have that number and know how much you want to spend on a house, keep that number in mind and commit yourself to stick with that budget. With your budget hammered, it's an excellent time to list your wants and needs. This is super important information that you need to have decided on before you start your home search. Next, it's a great time to find an agent. I always recommend asking for recommendations and interviewing at least 3 agents before making a decision. You want to find an agent who will listen to your wants and needs, use experience and knowledge to find you great listings and answer all of the questions you might have as a first timer. After you have your agent secured and you're ready to start the search, remember that being patient will make your life so much easier. I have many more tips and tricks to share with first-time home buyers. If you'd like to get all my advice for first timers, send me a message.